All right, you're here with Don Getling with the National Real Estate Cafe. That's right. That's us. Every Monday through Friday, we give you the updates on what's really happening in the real estate and financial markets. Gino's off for bad behavior or good behavior. And so you get me this week, but we want to make sure you get your updates. So where are interest rates heading? Where have they been? Because all you're hearing about is the Fed's raising rates, Fed's raising rate. We keep trying to remind you, remember, that is short-term interest rates. That is HELOCs, car loans, credit card loans. That is not home loans. So where are rates going? You're always worried about rates going up. The good news is rates actually have been improving. Let's see the chart here. All right, so remember this chart is a little counterintuitive, meaning green is good. And you think that means rates are going up. No, that means people are buying bonds and therefore lowering interest rates. Red is bad. That means they're selling bonds and therefore they have to increase the rates to attract buyers. So red is bad, green is good. You can see I have a little mark here that says here's where the highest rates in quite some time we're at, and they hit right around the fives. And then since then, they've actually improved, as you can see. They're slowly improving. We're back into the upper fours, which is good news. So what does this mean over time? So let's go to this little history on where our rates have been. So you can see back in mid 2017, we had some pretty great rates. They're still in the threes. And then Trump got elected. That gave everybody euphoria that Trump was going to be very pro-business and therefore very good for the economy, which means inflation. Inflation hurts bonds. Therefore, everybody was worried about their value of their bonds in the future. So rates immediately jumped in the fours. You can see that back right there again, like I said, right in the December of 17. And then, since then, we've been chugging along, but we've actually, you can see that rates continued to get worse and worse and worse as the economy got better. Remember, this isn't all bad. Rates get higher because the economy is doing better. People are keeping their jobs. People are getting more income and so forth. So they started to hit the fives, which is not a bad rate. You can see that back in April, May. And then they've since improved. We're back in the upper fours. So, good news is, rates are still great. They stopped going up, but grab it before they can potentially go up more because the Fed's planning on raising rates. Economy's strong, so get in while the getting's good. You heard right here on the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Getling. You can get these sent right to your phone by texting NREC to the number 58885 or find out more at donandgino.com.